Hello, myself Fireman. I'm 6 years old. Today I'm talking about baking. Boys and girls, look at the picture. Can you see the monkey baking? I do. I can see making pizza, making the bread, peas, chocolate, cupcakes, cookies, cakes, so many. Also is baking. Pretty good. Look at the picture. What color is the monkey? Yes, the monkey is brown. Also is baking. We make the pizza. Boys and girls, do you like pizza? Yes, pizzas are very yummy. Linda likes pizza. Linda, eat your pizza. Mommy, can you eat pizza?
Yes, I do.
Do you like bread?
Yes, it's on my plate.
Do you like cupcakes?
Yes, I do.
Do you like pizza bread cupcakes?
No, I don't.
Yucky! I like the pizza. Oven make the pizza so very hot. We make the bread. Very good. Monkey like the bread. Make safe.
Bake. No
Bake.
make.
So very yummy this bread. We make
No.
we bake the peas. Very good. What color is the peas? Yes, I can see it's yellow and red. We bake the
Brownie.
brownies. Very good. Is brownie milk? No. Or brownie juice? No. Or the cup water? No. Water for your truck cakes? No. Water ladder truck for your truck? No. It's chocolate. It's chocolate. So very yummy. I like it. We bake the cupcakes. Pretty good. What monkey? What color is the cupcakes? Yes, it's pink. How many cupcakes? I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cupcakes. We make the cookies. Pretty good. What? How many cookies? Can you count? I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cookies. 4, another 4 is 8. 7 plus 1 equals 8. 6 plus 2 equals 8. 4 plus 4 is square. We bake the cake. Pretty good. If the monkey make the cakes are very yummy, so beautiful. A flower. Here, mommy. Here for you.
Thank you. Yummy.
The oven can make. I like it. Cup. I can see the cake. So very yummy. Look, mommy.
Yes.
What is good? So many. I can see so many. Oh, boy, the girl so very hungry. I like the I like. What can you see? Yes, I can see cookies, cake,
Brownies.
brownies, bread, pizza, and peas. I can make the pie. I can make the fire truck cake, just like the ladder truck. I'm the fireman. I'm the fireman. Thank you for visiting with me today. I hope you have a wonderful day. I like to make the pizza and Linda mommy like it. I'll see you soon. Take care. Goodbye for now. Rồi.